If you are a matcha tea lover or you know someone that is, take a look at this perfect matcha gift set. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and show you what it looks like. First and foremost, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and unbox it and give you my full and honest review. So this matcha set is available in a variety of colors. I actually got it in the color pink. Take a look. Everything that you need to make matcha. So I'm going to go ahead and take out every product one by one individually just to show you the products that come inside of the little gift set. So I have not tried to make matcha myself, but everything that you need here is included. As you can see, it comes very, very well packaged. All right, so take a look. This is the bowl. Very, very nice big bowl. Then you get this little whisk. I went ahead and took it out just to show you what that looks like. Here's the little strainer. Then you get this little wooden. If you've made matcha before, you definitely know everything that comes in this little gift set. And then this little cup. And it is all the same color. And take a look, it has the hole on the bottom, this little cup. So everything that you need to make matcha is included. The strainer, this piece, you get this, the big bowl, and then this one right here. Again, this is available in a variety of colors. I did choose the pink one, but if you yourself are looking for a good matcha set, everything that you need is included. I would recommend you check it out.